Hello, my name is Kalia Irby from many other videos, and I will be singing No Air. If I should die before I wake, it's 'cause you took my breath away. It seems like living in a world with no air. Ooh, I ran, I jumped, I hopped, I flew right up to ground to float to you. There's no gravity to hold me down for real. So help. Do you expect me to live alone with just me? 'Cause my world is worthless, randomly, so hard for me to breathe. Tell me how I'm gonna breathe it, no air. Can't live, can't breathe it, no air. Tell me how I feel when you ain't there. It's nowhere, no air. Copy over in this water so deep. Tell me how you gonna feel without me. If you ain't here, I just can't breathe. It's nowhere, no air. No, 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 no. Hey. And one more song by Keisha Cole. I love my baby. I love my baby. I love my baby. Yeah. I only wanna see you in the morning. Loving you is easy and dreaming. Every day feels like a weekend. Let me find out you were sinking. Fire. I keep it real, but I don't go in the lane. And I say, but I never need you in the VIP. Everything I do, D-I-G. And I'm keeping it to my D-I-P. Okay, let's go. I'm ready, and you know I got it so low. I'm so in love with you. I'm so you don't matter words are true. You're my woman, oh baby, take me away. And that's true. That's why I'm so in love with you. You're my woman, oh baby, take me away. Take me away. I love my baby, love my baby, love my baby. Hey, hey. Yeah. See, here's a new hit for the radio. Could you hear me, baby? Take me away. I love my baby, baby. I love my baby, yeah. Yeah. See, here's a new hit for the radio.